Dozens of protesters gathered outside the Supreme Court as the justices heard oral arguments over whether a near-total abortion ban in Idaho, unless a woman's life is at risk, violates a federal law that requires hospitals to treat a person experiencing a medical emergency, even if they aren't at imminent risk of dying. The three liberal justices seem to agree with the federal government's position, while Chief Justice John Roberts and Justice Amy Coney Barrett seem to be the most persuadable.
I'm kind of shocked, actually, because I thought your own expert had said below that these kinds of cases were covered. And you're now saying they're not?
No, I'm not saying that. That's just my point, Your Honor, is that...
Well, you're hedging.
Idaho argued the Biden administration is trying to circumvent state law and insisted doctors will not face prosecution if they can, in good faith, determine the patient's life is at risk.
What is the standard?
The doctor's good faith medical judgment, which is subjective.
And that's not subject to review by any medical board? If there's a complaint against the doctor that his standards don't comply, let's say he's the only doctor at the particular emergency room.
An expert at the University of Texas Austin School of Law says the court's decision will have far-reaching implications.
And the question of whether doctors can act when patients are very sick is one that we've seen in all the abortion ban states, not just Idaho, with pregnant patients being sent out the door to miscarry in cars and in bathrooms, to really detrimental effect on their health and the health of infants.
Well, the court's decision on this case and one involving the abortion pill mifepristone are both expected by the end of June. In Washington, Daniel Grimes, Spectrum News.
Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Let Spectrum News be your resource for balanced, in-depth political coverage, and click the subscribe button right here. You can also download our app or watch us on TV to learn more about the candidates, where they stand on the issues, and more. We'll see you then.